Hey everyone, it's Neil here with ExBode Clean, and I'm mopping wood floors, and I wanted to give you some tips on how to clean wood floors so you know how we do it, and then you also know how to do it yourself. So wood floors, they are very tricky. They can be very tricky. They take a lot of time. You need to respect the wood floor. You need to be gentle with them. You don't need to be using a lot of harsh chemicals on them. Really, there's one product that I recommend on wood floors, and that is Bona. It's a Bona hardwood floor cleaner, and Bona is pretty much the go-to cleaning product for wood floors. They are the people that know what they are doing when it comes to keeping wood floors clean and keeping them looking like new for as long as possible. So I always choose Bona for my wood floors. You can buy these squirt bottles at Walmart, you can buy them at Home Depot, Lowe's, Amazon, all over the place. You can also buy refillable bottles to refill this squirt bottle. Now, aside from the cleaning product, we use this mop, this style of mop. This is a microfiber pad that comes on and off of this mop so we can wash it easily. And it's microfiber, so it's super soft. And one side it has bristles, and then the other side is just flat. So we use the bristly side for tile, and then for our hardwood floors, we go ahead and use the flat side because the wood is flat. This is just amazing. This mop is easy. It's easy to push. We don't have to wring the thing out. And like I said, easy to wash. So that's what's amazing about it. Now, a good tip, a big tip for wood floors is when you mop them, you always want to mop it with the grain. When there's a grain to anything, whether it be a wood floor, stainless steel, a coffee table, anytime there is a grain, you want to go with the grain. So I don't want to see you mopping your wood floors like this. Whenever you mop them, I hope you can see that. Mop them like this, it can leave streakiness that looks unnatural, and it will leave your floors looking not as pretty as they could look. So always mop them with the grain like so. And for cleaning wood floors, that is really it. It's simple and it's effective. So try these. Use Bona floor cleaner. Get you a mop like this. We got this one at Home Depot. Get it doesn't have to be this specific one, but get one where you can wash the pad, wash it after every use, and get it to a microfiber one so it's soft on the wood floors. And always mop it with the grain, and you will always have beautiful and elegant looking wood floors. Thanks guys, I'm Neil with ExBode.